Hello guys, greetings and salutations from the Italian guy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and delicious keto caramel. It's true, on YouTube there are tons of recipes about caramel. This one is real. I have made some of them, and even though I strictly followed their recipe, it doesn't come out as is shown in the video. This one is real. I want to grow. I won't say any lies. Butter, double cream and sweetener. Really quick recipe. 5 minutes to melt the butter and 15 to blend it overall. Follow me in this real and true recipe. So the first ingredient is the butter, not ghee, because it doesn't come out, unfortunately. I tried but I didn't succeed. So the normal butter, 50 grams, low flame. I will show you later the flame. And we have to wait until the butter turns brown. Yeah, like in this case. So when the butter turns brown, we can add the second ingredient, our sweetener, the Xylitol. Yeah, 50 grams. So we can use a spatula to stir to help the Xylitol to speed up the process of melting the Xylitol in the butter. And the flame should be very low. I will show you in a moment. Yeah, okay. Otherwise we burn everything and we don't want to burn our caramel. Okay, so when the butter is like this, amber color, we can put 100 milliliters of heavy cream, double cream. Be careful, because if it was in the refrigerator, it will be, how can I say, very dangerous, because the double cream will spread up everywhere and you can burn your skin. Okay, so be very careful when you do this. Keep stirring so that the double cream will spread evenly in the whole mixture. And wait 15 minutes from the moment the double cream is spreaded everywhere. Yeah, and after 15 minutes, you see, it's time to put the caramel in a bowl, and is not ready yet because it will be very hot. So let it cool down and enjoy it. You can spread it everywhere. So I hope you liked this caramel. It's a little bit creamy. If you put it in the freezer or in the refrigerator, sorry, of course it will really become hard, solid. So I think you can spread it somewhere on crackers, on the bread, for example. It's really sweet, so feel free to reduce the grams of the sweetener. I use the Xylitol because with erythritol it doesn't come out really well. It crystallizes, some crystals forms on it. I didn't try with stevia. So if you have stevia, please make the recipe and let me know in the comments below so that we can improve the recipe. It's really sweet, so but really good. Butter, double cream, so there is a lot of fat that is good for those who follow the lifestyle of the keto. And yeah, let me know in the comments below if you like it and if you tried with stevia, and any recipe that you would like me to oh, wow, it's raining here finally, too much heat, 30 degrees. If you made it, and let me know, and also if you would like me to make any other recipe, let me know. I'm slowly growing, 181 subscribers, mainly in the Italian language, but I would like to improve, to extend also, to grow also in with English people, American people, and whatever. Let me know so I can really make a video in English language with the recipe you like. Okay, thanks again for your support, and share the video if you liked it. Thanks. Bye.